Hi guys, I'm Atola from 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝗀. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be exploring a step-by-step process and procedure of how you can claim up to 125 AI credits from AgentRouter. Yes, you heard me right. So I'm going to be introducing us to an agent called AgentRouter, which has a lot of API key related to different type of AI. So if you're just coming across my YouTube channel, so this is the accurate content in regards to AI tools, so whereby people can get to like claim some limited offer and you'll be able to claim some pro plan at the same time how some tools work. Yes, so let's dive directly into it. So all you have to do is just head over to any browser you're using and just search for the word agents router. Yes, so now when you search for agents router, I'm using Google as my search engine now, and as you can see we have two main results here. Yeah, so the first one is agent router with a word of Chinese, right? And the second one whereby we have more of like an English, and it says okay, route tasks to specialize AI agents instantly. So this is your AI agent that discover and delegates to 100 special agents. And now when we click on it, it takes us to this part of the website. Yes, so whereby this is more of like a landing page. As you can see the Chinese word, we also have the English version of it. So when you click on this URL, which is the backup domain, it's going to take you to the other sites here that we have, but both of them are still of the same, what should we call it, they're still of the same landing page, they are making the same function, but it's just available as a side note, by the way. And you can see it's also offer the cloud host. So now let's just delete one of the tab and we move with this. So moving forward, we can just decide to change the theme and we can change our language. So you can see the unify LLM API gateway, and you can get different type of key. And what's best as a developer is for you to read through the documentation as it's available, and you can see various LLM provider that it works with. So we have the ChatGPT, we have Grok, which is also known as XAI, Cloud, Gemini, DeepSeek, and some other numerous one. The next part of it we need to do is now to claim this offer, we need to sign up. And while trying to sign up, it gives you two way of signing it up. So the best of it is for you to go with GitHub. So now when your GitHub is around the year of 2024, you are going to claim or get higher credit. But if it's around 2025, it's still not bad. So now let's dive directly into it. What's needed to be done now is just for me to input my details. Yes, so I'm going to be signing in with my GitHub, and you can see to continue to agent router. Let me just put in my details now. So as you can see, I'm going to put in the password now and just put in my username. So at the same time, you can just use your email address. So click on sign in. So if you are enable to factor authenticator, or you enable MFA, which is known as multi-factor authenticator, it's going to need you to verify your device. So as you can see here, I have 3 of my Gmail links to it. So let's just check through our email and we make sure we verify that out. As you can see, I just access my email, then I'll copy it and I'll paste the verification code. So the verification code is going to be automatically verified. Just make sure you copy directly, you don't type, so you won't make any mistake while doing that. So you won't go back to any of the process. And now we can see it shows us authorized agent router with your GitHub. Yeah, and this is going to take your personal user details, and it's just going to be read only, so there's not going to be addition of read and write. So then authorize, and after you authorize, it's going to redirect us to the dashboard. Yes, but now we still have to like sign in again, so it's going to like synchronize it up. Okay, so as you can see, it has been synchronized successful. You can see the notification bar. So we are navigating to English now, and here is everything we have. So now if you want to create any token for any API key, you are just going to use that. You can delete your token. So let's navigate to the dashboard on the console, and let's just wait for it to load up. So this is literally where our dashboard is, and as you can see the current balance is 125. So I made this in afternoon, which is literally in West African time. So my GitHub is connected, and when you head over to your wallet, you're still going to see the same amount of what, the same amount of recharge. So literally this means that okay, after my GitHub is been linked, it's checked my relevancy and what it's worth. Then that was how he was able to give me and gift me the $125 for free. So this is literally when you make a referral, and you can just use the link in the video description below, so you'll be able to claim your offer and you won't miss out on any part of it. So now let's navigate to the personal settings. Yeah, so you can see my account, normal GitHub, and I have an ID 32348. And now you can see, let's just highlight the balance, so you see this is not a screenshot or a scam. And you can also see and view the available model. So there is the model of 𝗬𝗏𝗄𝗏 4.8, and at the same time there is 𝗬𝗏𝗄𝗏 5, and you can also see the 𝗪𝗵𝗁𝗏 5.6. So this is literally all the credits that I will give it to you. You can use it for this AI.